Another aspect that is very important to us is also the rhythms, the biological rhythms, and therefore we have something that we call it precision chrononutrition, and this is an example of that. Also from our previous studies, what we show here is that when this is another obesity clinic, these people were following a behavioral program that included diet, and then some people did better than others. So what was the difference between these people? It was not the adherence to the diet, it was the same. The difference was the time of eating. These people ate earlier, these people eat later. So as a measure of public health, you can just say, well, let's try for everybody to eat earlier, and then we'll have less obesity, and people trying to lose weight, they will achieve that with more success. Well, is that also a one-size-fits-all recommendation? The answer is no. Because if we look again to this perilipin gene that I was telling you a few slides earlier, look how interesting is the picture when we divide the individuals among those that are carriers of the T allele of one of the forms of the gene. And in these people, the T carriers, it doesn't matter if they eat earlier or they eat late, they lose the same amount of weight. Now, if you focus on people that have the AA genotype, now you can see a very dramatic difference in weight loss. And again, they are eating the same, and the difference is the time and what they eat. So, looking at the future, we'll be able to use this information not only to tell people what they should be eating or not eating or drinking, but also in terms of how they should distribute their meals during the day, when they should be eating in order to achieve optimal health, and also to that means preventing diseases, but also in terms of even using as a therapeutic tool.
If you want to learn more about the science of epigenetics and nutrition longevity, check out my newsletter at Aronica.com and in the link below this video, so you won't miss my upcoming free webinars, courses, and live Q&A.